Welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today I am making egg Manchurian. Crispy fried eggs tossed in a spicy tangy sauce. A perfect Indo-Chinese style snack that is full of flavor. Let's start the recipe. Take 3 boiled eggs and cut them into long pieces. In a bowl, add 1/4 cup flour, 1/4 cup corn flour, half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili powder. Mix well. Beat 1 egg. Manchurian dishes are popular Indo-Chinese fusion foods. 1/4 cup water to make a smooth batter. First coat the egg pieces with dry flour. Then dip into the batter. The crispy coating makes it extra delicious. Fry in medium heated oil until golden and crispy. Fry eggs on medium heat for perfect crispiness. Keep aside. Now heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. 1 teaspoon chopped garlic and ginger. 2 tablespoon onion. 2 tablespoon capsicum. Saute for 30 seconds. Half teaspoon pepper powder, 1 tablespoon chili sauce, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup, 1/4 teaspoon salt. It is commonly served as a snack or starter. Now take 1/4 cup water, 1 teaspoon corn flour. Mix well. Cook until the sauce thickens. Add the fried egg pieces and toss well. Cook for 1 minute. Keep the sauce slightly thick for base coating. Eggs are rich in protein and nutrients. Homemade food is more hygienic. You can control oil and spice levels. Vegetables add vitamins and fiber. Your spicy egg Manchurian is ready. Serve hot and enjoy the delicious flavor. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Enoven Cake and Cookies for more easy recipes.